When leader speaks, things happen. Leaders don't speak like a normal average person. डेफिनेटली थंबनेल और मेरे स्टार्टिंग कोट से आपको ये चीज पता चल गई है कि नाउ वी गोना टॉक अबाउट द लीडरशिप स्किल्स, द लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज, राइट? सी, लेट मी क्लियर आउट दिस one or two myths before getting to the main video. That leadership qualities, we all have leadership qualities, right? But what we are missing out is we are not building up that skill to present that qualities, like communication skills, team building skills, right? Public relation skills. Those are the skills you have to build to present yourself as a leader. So every person have that leadership qualities, but they are not presenting. Second myth I want to clear out is, if a person is manager of a company, if a person is a boss of that company, of that business, a person is a principal, a person who is a teacher, right? It doesn't mean that they are leaders. We have that wrong mindset that the person who is a boss of mine, or the person who is in a higher authority or higher post, is a leader. No, that is your boss, or that is your captain, or something else. But leader is someone who direct people, who guide people. People look upon to those people, and then they work according to your guidance. That's where you are a leader, right? So even if you are an employee of a company, you are a leader if you have that qualities and you are presenting that qualities. Okay, so we'll not talk about all the qualities and all the skills of leadership, तो वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. Now in this video we're gonna talk about one skill, right? And we're gonna break down that skill into 4 qualities, 4 types, how you can improve that skill, and how leaders are improving and how leaders are presenting themselves according to this one skill. And that is my favorite skill, and that skill is communication skills, right? We're gonna break down the communication of leadership into 4 parts, 4 different parts, how you can be more confident and how you can communicate as a leader. So जब भी आप बोल रहे हो तो लोगों को लगे कि यार ये इंसान एक लीडर है, इसको फॉलो करना है मुझे. Okay, so let's get into this video and know what are those 4 techniques and 4 things we should follow to communicate as a leader. The first thing what leaders do and what I like the most is precise statements. Whenever they are communicating, whenever they are talking with their team, okay, what they do is they give precise direction, precise guidance, point to point बात, if you can tell in the local language, point to point बात करना, right? No motivation, no different kind of waste things, proper guidance what they want to give. If they want to give the motivation, they'll give the motivation. They're not gonna tell that you are missing out this one thing. If you are doing wrong, they're gonna tell you that you are wrong, you need to do this to make it right. So they'll tell you precisely. ओके, घुमा फिरा के बात नहीं करेंगे, प्रिसाइसली बात करेंगे, एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट ओके वो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं. नाउ इसके बेनिफिट्स क्या है? व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ टेकिंग एंड टॉकिंग विद अ प्रिसाइज स्टेटमेंट्स इज योर टीम इज क्लियर व्हाट यू वांट टू टेल और यू वांट टू कन्वे, व्हाट यू वांट टू स्पीक. ओके, द टीम विल बी क्लियर, दे हैव दैट क्लैरिटी दैट व्हाट दे हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हम इतना बोलते हैं, इतनी सारी चीजें इसके अंदर ऐड ऑन करते हैं, राइट? दैट टीम, योर टीम डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. उनको पता नहीं कि अब उनको क्या स्टेप लेना, व्हाट दे नीड टू डू आफ्टर योर टॉक और आफ्टर योर गाइडेंस, राइट? सो देन इट्स नॉट अ गाइडेंस, इट्स only the talk you are giving, only the words, it's not the guidance. Okay, so when you are talking, keep it precise, short and sweet, right? So that your team can understand what they want to do, and your team can understand what you are trying to convince or what you are trying to convey to those people. Let's take an example that if you want to increase your sales, okay, so what you are going to tell your team is, this is my idea, okay, this is what our sales target is. Now come up with your ideas. Now come up with your suggestions. So you give your idea and your suggestion, you give them the target, but you are asking for the suggestion. Okay, so you are precise, that you are conveying 3 things: your idea, your target, and then you are asking their suggestions, right? So this is what a leader do. They want to increase their sales, Directly tell them that we want to increase our sales. If we have done 100 sales in the last month, we want to do 300 sales in this month. Precise. Second, and one of the most important thing to become a leader, this is, you can say, a difference between a boss and a leader, a difference between a manager and a leader. Right? What they do is they are expertise in one technique, in one field. Right? They have the knowledge in one field. Even the leader have the knowledge of one field, or the expertise of one field, but he have the knowledge of a lot of fields. Let me explain it in a more detailed manner. Right? When your team is there and you want to guide them, right, your team is not just an accountant, it's not just a graphic designer, it's not just a salesperson. Your team is mixture of a graphic designer, of a salesperson, of, let's say, a marketing person, right? And you are coming from an IT background. Then also you can become the leader of those type of people, and you have to become to run your company in a different manner, right? As a leader, okay, what you need to do is you have to have a proper detailed knowledge about every single field, what your employees and what your team members are doing right now. So the point is, a leader can speak out of his expertise. When you speak out of your expertise, your team member can trust you. नहीं तो फिर आप IT के हो, वो ग्राफिक डिजाइनर है, वो आपको बेवकूफ बना सकता है. Your company will be in the loss part if you don't know about what graphic designers work is. You should know that what other people are doing in your company, in your business, in your organization. And for that, your communication should be out of your expertise as well. I'm not saying that you have to work in as a graphic designer to have that knowledge. No. Right? You can get the knowledge from Google, from YouTube, from different courses, that what a graphic designer actually do and what he or she will gonna contribute for your company. Understand, leadership is not a competition कि मैं लीडर बनूंगा मुझे एम्प्लॉय नहीं बनना. नो, लीडरशिप इज एन अथॉरिटी. इवन कि आप एक एम्प्लॉय हो एक कंपनी के अंदर, बट यू हैव दैट स्किल्स, यू हैव दैट नॉलेज एंड यू आर शेयरिंग व्हेन यू आर गिविंग प्रेजेंटेशंस. आपके जो आसपास के लोग हैं, आपके जो कलीग्स हैं, वो आपसे इंप्रेस होंगे. ओके, जो इवैल्यूएशन होगा तो आपका ज्यादा होगा, उनका कम होगा, और आपके लिए अथॉरिटी होगा. उनको लगेगा कि यार दिस पर्सन इज फ्रॉम अस ओनली, राइट, ये बंदा हमारे में से ही, बट he have that extraordinary skills to become a leader. Now understand one more thing in terms of leadership. This is the third technique of the communication skills, and that is, you don't have to speak every single thing, right? As a leader, what's your work is that if this person is from different field, this person is from different field, you have to coordinate between those two people or those 100 employees and 100 members of your team. You don't have to do every single work, and you don't have to speak in every single work. Let's take an example, right? अगर एक band है, right? There is a band. What every single person is expertise in different things. Someone is expert in playing drum. Okay, someone is expert in playing flute or maybe the guitar. Okay, but what every person is doing, कि हमारे expertise दिखनी चाहिए. So they'll play the guitar in the loud voice, कि मेरा गिटार सुनना चाहिए. The drum person will play the drums in a very high voice, very high speed, कि मेरा drum सुनाई देना चाहिए. A flute person will play his flute on a high voice, कि उसकी flute की voice सुनाई देनी चाहिए. It would be a noise. But if a person, a music director or a producer came to see their band or to direct or to guide them how to play a band, then what he will do, he'll listen like an audience, right? Like an audience member. He will tell that no, the drum speed should be little bit slow and the guitar should be high. The flute should be little bit low and the drum should be high. This is what the coordination is. So you have to listen and understand and then coordinate between the employees Okay, when you are speaking, you are not speaking everything. You are speaking for the coordination of the company, for the coordination of the employees, for the coordination of the team. Okay, fourth thing which every leader should understand when they are communicating, when they are speaking, and that one thing is you connect everything with business. Yeah, you connect everything with your business, and you tell your person, you tell your team, you tell your employees that do this work according to your business. Correct? No waste talks, only talk for your business, for your audience, for your team success. Okay, if you are talking something which is waste, which is not related to your business, team, employees, or competition, market, or something marketing things, no need to talk like that, because you have less time and you have to grow more. You have less time and you have to make your team more efficient, so you have to speak only those things which are related to your business. And if you are speaking something else than your business, connect with that else with your business. Even if a person who is doing, let's say, furnishing business, he will connect to the coffee companies, he'll talk about coffee, but he'll think about his business कि कैफेज के अंदर फर्नीचर कैसे लगता है. Correct? Everything is connected to a business. I just gave an example, a simple normal example of the market. There are tons and tons of examples. You have to connect everything which is going around you with your business, with your leadership techniques, with your team success. At the end, I want to tell this one thing to every single person, and that one thing is leadership is not a competition. Leadership is a skill which you can build. Leadership is an authority. When people see you, when people see you talking, when people see you speaking, when people watch your videos, they should understand this person has that authority to guide us. Even one person think like that, you are a leader. Okay, I want you to learn the art of communicating as a leader.